Nonsénse TV. Say afei na wo share message so be nya subscribe buttons. Now I like the video no bia no wa share ama Afrifa nsa akem. Ori anu wa tro adwen e wo comment section ho amai. Abusuafo ni na na say Okatakyie Afrifa say wa sorry on Citi TV Citi FM 4 say we be ka say mpu ni mpu. Ni na na say on former president John Kufuor enya interview bi na oka nsem bi na nsem na oka no amokasa efa galamse ho nanso Angel FM 4 tweet ade bi e wo mo Twitter page no so eno na asa Citi FM 4 nso kofa the same story nanso asa words na baako na amosesem eno ana ama Okatakyie Afrifa so asa Citi 4 amiskoti ne oka no eno hu nti chese Okatakyie Afrifa se enne ne Citi 4 ye ne ni enje ho kra ebusanfo mo ma yentie ne nsam nembra
Citi 4
Amo church brofo
ampani Kufuor grantee interview wa ha
ahu demonstration hub de no
enro ankoma president Kufuor di ye no na yenya ntie se omo de Spain bi atoso ai ti sori manim omo de Spain atoso mankrofo di president Kufuor atem bi wa yes Citi 4 na chiro we
ai
so ampani Kufuor ayini Citi FM Benarable Bamenya raje na minimu ni nkomo bi anope Bernard mechiawo. So this is Citi FM 4 omo Citi newsroom story a wo mo chro ye and you see nipa wo chro story ni Letitia will say this is highly irresponsible of journalism. Now you're moving cosro ni entiasem. Former President Kufuor has called for justice to be served against protesters who allegedly committed offenses during the recent Democracy Hub demonstration in Accra. Kufuor acknowledged the right of citizens to protest, but emphasized that destructive actions including property damage and attacks on police officers are unacceptable and should not go unpunished. The demonstration, which led to significant property damage roadblocks, has drawn widespread attention. In an interview with Accra-based Angel FM, Accra-based Angel FM no oni nnuane nade na bekasa wa ha ho President Kufuor baye no oni na dance with oni Accra-based Angel FM no microphone so na bekasa so Kufuor underscored the importance of holding those responsible accountable for their actions, particularly those who attack the law enforcement officers during the protest. He stressed the need for swift and appropriate action to ensure that while citizens' rights to protest are protected, unlawful behavior is addressed in accordance with law. If you attack a police officer or take away their key, you must face the law or be punished. We can't let them go scot-free. John Kufuor is advocating for a united front against Galamsey fight, citing its devastating impact on Ghana's water bodies and well-being of citizens. He stressed the need for multifaceted approach to protect Ghana's natural heritage, encompassing its forest, water bodies, and weather patterns. Okay, so this is Citi FM. Bernard Anopemechi, I want to say I have enough respect for you, and I know you are the general manager of Citi FM.
Exactly.
Maybe I Bernard the general manager. And as a mensa na year. So see you, founder and president. So President Kufuor grantee interview. And he made emphatic statement say a minting or grantee interview go on comment on the Galamsey issue. Now, senya boni ne wo mutirimu President Kufuor make statement. Ghana for nyina tie.
Precisely.
How did you draw your conclusion? Say President Kufuor say the protesters must be punished. And this is the headline you give to. So yanko Okam voices. Goyo. Everyone among the voices in the GUI. Now muye ni pabone. Citi FM muye ni pabone. Okay. Which one talks about this very one? And I can about anti-Galamsey protesters.
Hey, now who police in India na jima who ko bonu ana ko tumi support ya. No papa no aban kan you so no every police in India ko bonu na me chenu future. Crown no abaje from what and ya ko aban ko se aban no bidi. Ntimi mi ya we no. Dem ya ahun chipi na ba show mu. Alenti ko go ba kan nem ben ko bu kan so o sa ni wo na so. Uncha. Pipa. Dem bi anu cha ntu kakra. Hey, and that's a view. I know so much of that. It's now for cleaning. We just share one of my branches and I can say, why I know who's the dear. That's why you're the cotton. That's why you're the idea. Just something like that.
Citi FM when a President Kufuor kai. Na panika asem no situating in contest. Say emrantia na de na omoye ye ne de. Asotwe kakra. Nanso akola nigu na so a ye pepa yenkuno. How then do you report that story and you remove it from the context in which he said it and give a headline? Democracy help protesters who committed offense must be punished. And Urefi say what your main story nobody no be shame say name mo the source say aban no enye a bit measured in a year punishment. We ye the pabone benarable we ye the pabone very it is a penimu say oh wo bu mra so dia nanso mogahye enti na mrantia no de ye nti say aban no be punish wo mokura no a wo mpe na ye ntwa wo to kakra emfantia wo say nemo me say no akotwo say democracy help protesters who committed offense must be punished and was had the source say akola ye boni a ye nkuno we ye the pabonefo some more certain ama more certain agenda me na tem yes more certain agenda me na tem me busa ne question say mrantre omko protest ye nyom den ne first statement you say oh ye mojahye na wo mo pe o man ni ye nti so if you don't take a year the work out of context with all the tone that we use you know we dey can acknowledge say mrantre no kwa mojahye no mo de ye ade nti wono na adwene mo ne nya bone bi ana mrantre ne ye na so wo ba ye ade no wa anye ne ye di a wotia na kakra wo de tene no who can report the story there was one throw one answer was he says they must be punished so was setting it up number men ko fa ko dinata
headline
no akwa ko ready Citi FM mo dia mo ye nyansa wo
da bida
ama akokura wo tin ba bie na Ghana fo afre no anopai dinatem sa e dia ba no e dia da na mo ye nta media tantan sa e clickbait ni ade no mo pe mo kakra na mo pe de si e ba be hwe Citi ade no nti Adiabano
Citi agenda.
Adiabano. Everything you football why you guys should stop it.
Precisely so.
Media more and media tante all report here. Not just mo twan ye be. Munya chro. Adiabano. Penny mo kanyansa se moto. Se mranche na de no mo ye eye mogahye.
Sa pepepe.
Well, obi come say twi na mo benarable say twi na wontia wono no acknowledge say ye mujahye dia no opa kire so youthful exuberance
exactly so
if somebody says it's youthful exuberance what it means is that he acknowledges that on the right sense of a year you know and ko mo nya de omo ye no nanso no wo mo pe o man ni ye nti no omo ye
exactly
and was say wo ba ya ade a ye tia ne kakra de tene no no, I say they must be punished. And you forget to add that he said, but the government must be measured in the punishment. You forget to add that. I never say no. Now, Cocratin baby, I no pay. I was here now. Secretary, Wuntina me granted interview. No, Nasa Sama Mekaya, my Nipa Bonini Pafun Samadia Moya, just say. Citi dia ben dia be Bernard Ablant wa Letitia o say why wo about friend no one told to me boa President Kufuor asem wo kan me busa ne question say demonstration me am tie kura mta bi na jamanfo bi akobia konya asem na asem wo kan say o eye mogahye
abusuafo ne Okatakyie Afrifa edbetu edwa enono efa comment na che enam social media no so aha attention TV like video ni na share na afoforo nso nka bidi Fatima makra